welcome to my home for another fall video. I hope that you are having such a beautiful season so far. It is a beautiful fall day here where I am, and I'm just looking forward to enjoying the season a little bit today. I actually just got brand new fall bedding that I personally think is the perfect fall bedding. It came in yesterday and I got everything washed. So I really want to get it out, get it put on my bed this morning. So we're going to get that put on the bed right now. There is just something about refreshing your bedding, getting new bedding for a season that I think just makes you feel like you're embracing the season a little bit more, or like it's actually officially that season. And this bedding is so fall to me. First of all, it's linen bedding, which I love linen. I really love linen all year round, but there's just something that's so cozy about it and just makes my room feel so fresh and clean and crisp and inviting that I love linen. And I found the best linen sheets. I'm so excited about these sheets. They are from Quince. All of my bedding today is actually from Quince. Quince is the sponsor of today's video. So thank you to them for sponsoring. However, I do have to say, even if they were not today's video sponsor, I would still have this bedding because this to me is the perfect fall bedding. I love these sheets. I actually stumbled across the sheets first because I was looking for something that was high quality fabric in this color. I saw these and thought immediately, yes, they are beautiful. Terracotta is the color, but they come in a bunch of colors on their website. I'll be sure to have them linked below, but they're in the color terracotta. So beautiful, such great quality. The second I pulled these out, even before I washed them, they were so soft. I think they're going to be incredible. One thing I also love about Quince is they don't just offer duvets and sheets and things. They also offer the inserts and pillows and all of those things. So I picked up a new duvet insert. This is a down alternative. I like to personally get down alternatives. This is really great quality, made in Canada. And then the duvet I found is also a European linen duvet in this beautiful gingham print. I love the neutral for fall. Plus, I love a neutral with a really vibrant color like the terracotta sheets. I think this is going to be the perfect combo. If you haven't seen me share how I put a duvet insert in a duvet cover, I've got a little hack or a little trick, if you will, to doing it that I've shared before, but I'm going to show you again here today. The first thing that I do is lay the duvet insert completely flat across the bed, and then I lay the duvet cover on top of it, but I turn it inside out before I tie the corners on. And then I make sure to secure all four corners, tie them on to the duvet cover. Once they are all nice and tied tightly, I then take the two front ends, the end of the duvet that's going to be at the head of the bed, and I pull it through. Automatically, just magically turns the duvet cover inside out and gets that insert in there perfectly. I'm telling you, you've got to try it next time you're putting a duvet cover on your duvet, and let me know what you think. I feel like it's the easiest way to do it. This beautiful cotton terracotta throw is also from Quince. I love matching my throw to my sheets, especially if I have a neutral duvet. I think it's really nice to have that pop of color at the head and the foot of the bed. I think it looks really, really pleasing and aesthetic. I really like that. So happy to find the throw, but also if you remember, we had a conversation early on in the season about fall throw blankets, and I'm a little picky when it comes to a good throw blanket. I'll admit, they're not all created equal, and I don't always like what I find. I want it to feel cozy and I want there to be a little bit of a weight to it. And this throw is the perfect autumn throw. I'm so happy I found this. I will be using this for many, many years to come. Everything from Quince is just such high quality and all of their pieces are made to last. So everything just feels so lovely. I'll be sure to have all of the pieces that I picked up linked in the description box below for you. If you're looking for quality bedding at a really good price, definitely check out Quince. They have some fantastic pieces. They have great perks. You get free shipping on all orders, and they have 365-day returns. It's a really great brand. I highly recommend their bedding. Hanky, baby Hank, you are enjoying the bedding? You are enjoying it? Okay. You're enjoying it? Yes. This is how you know it's Hank approved. Right, Minky? Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Minky, what do you think? Yeah. Okay, Hank, I gotta keep decorating. I gotta keep decorating, buddy. My ultimate goal in this space today is just to create the coziest fall bedroom, the coziest space in my home, because this is where I spend the most time, pretty much all the time. Actually, I decorated this space with you all earlier in the season in August, and then I'd moved some things around the house as I decorated other spaces. I'd kind of pulled some of the decor out of this space, used it in other places, and so it left this room a little bit bare. One of the things I actually took out of here, because I thought I was going to use it in the theater room, was this garland. This is the same garland I used on the front porch. I love this. It's really beautiful. It's by Balsam Hill. And then I ended up using something different in the theater room. So I brought this back in here. I actually bought 4 pieces of this. This is 10-foot garland. I used 2 around the front door, and then I have 2 extra. So I'm going to put this one back in front of the TV today. And then I brought the other one thinking maybe we'll do this across the bed frame, because you know what? Why not? I wasn't going to put garland up there. I thought, you know what? Let's just leave it clear. But it just feels a little simple to me. I feel like it's missing something. I had a wreath up there, and it was the wreath that matched this, and it kept falling down. So I think garland will suit me better. Again, the goal in here today is just to make this feel like a cozy fall sanctuary. I want to come in here and I want to feel just surrounded by the season. That's what we're gonna hopefully accomplish today. We are going to attempt to add the same garland over the headboard here. Probably should have done this before I made my bed with this beautiful new bedding, but I didn't, so. Let's not disturb me, Mink. Oh, don't worry, me, Mink. I won't set it on you. I won't set it on you, cutie. Yeah, don't worry. You can help Mom, okay? We will see. We know the bedding is Mink Mink approved, but is the garland going to be Mink Mink approved? That is the question. That is the big question, isn't it? Yes, there's a big question. There's a big question, yeah. I love you. I love you. Did you want down? You did? Okay. Okay, there you go. Hey, baby Hank, what do you think of the garland we just put up there? Do you like this? Do you see this pumpkin garland? I'd also put these 2 pre-lit Balsam Hill trees over here in this corner, and they've been really nice, but I think I'm gonna move them over by the television and put one of those tall trees that I was using by the fireplace from Amazon in this corner, because I think it would make a bigger statement. What are you doing? Do you love your cozy room? You love your cozy room? Let's show him what it looks like, huh? Can we show him your cozy room? Okay, let's show him your cozy room. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your day once again to hang out with me here on YouTube. If you make it to the end of my videos, I just want to say an extra thank you to you because I appreciate you and I just want you to know how much I value your time and just your kindness here. I'm so grateful for that. Sharing these videos is so much fun. And sharing a bit of my life and the seasons and the decorating is such a joy to me, but honestly, the biggest joy here on YouTube is getting to visit with you down there in that comment section. So thank you for always being so kind to me, for sharing your life with me. I know so many of you tell me about your pets and your kids and your grandkids and your home and your decor and all of those things. And I just want you to know I'm so grateful for that you share with me and that we can talk about those things here. So thank you so very much. I will see you again very soon in the next video. I will be back with more autumn videos here for you. But until I see you again, take care and happy decorating.